Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Photos sync not working on a PC in 2026. First, open Google Photos in your web browser and sign in to your Google account. If your photos are not syncing across devices, start by refreshing the Google Photos page. Sometimes the sync process is delayed and a simple refresh can help. Next, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can prevent Google Photos from syncing properly. Now check your Google account storage. If your storage is full, syncing may stop working. Delete unnecessary files or free up storage space if needed. If the problem continues, sign out of your Google account and sign in again. This refreshes your account connection and often fixes sync issues. After signing in, click the Upload button and upload a test photo from your computer. Wait for the upload to finish. Now open Google Photos on another device, such as your phone, and check if the uploaded photo appears there. If it does, syncing is working correctly. If the photo does not appear, clear your browser cache and cookies, restart your browser, and try again. You should also make sure that your browser is updated to the latest version. Google Chrome usually provides the best compatibility with Google Photos. Finally, give Google Photos a few minutes to complete the sync, especially if you're uploading many photos. That's it. This is the complete guide on how to fix Google Photos sync not working on a PC in 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.